In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a logo on a PayPal invoice. If you send invoices through PayPal, adding your logo is a simple way to make them look professional and on brand. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, your logo will automatically appear on your future invoices. First, go ahead and log into your PayPal account using your usual details. Once you're on your main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. Click on that profile icon and a small drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, choose the option that says Account Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage various details about your PayPal account. On the Account Settings page, pay attention to the menu or panel on the left-hand side. This is where different categories of settings are listed. Look through that list and find the section labeled Invoicing. When you see Invoicing, click on it. Now, on the right side of the screen, you'll see different invoicing options, including a row that mentions Invoice Templates. On that Invoice Templates row, look to the far right and click the Update option. This is what allows you to customize how your invoices look. When you click Update, PayPal will open a new page where you can edit your invoice template details. At the top of this page, you'll see several tabs. Look for the tab called Business Information and click on it. This is the section where you can control how your business appears on your invoices. Right near the top of the Business Information section, you should see a button labeled Add Logo. Go ahead and click that. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to browse the files on your computer. Navigate to the folder where your logo is saved. Ideally, choose a clear, high-quality image file, such as a PNG or JPG, that looks good at a small size. Once you've selected your logo file, click Open or press Enter on your keyboard. PayPal will upload the image and automatically save it as the logo for your invoices. From now on, whenever you create a new PayPal invoice using that template, your logo will appear at the top, giving your invoices a consistent branded look.